Hello my friend, today I'm gonna show you how to create stop frame or still frame. Actually I'm gonna show you two options how you could do it with and without creating extra media file. So let's jump right into it. So we are in Premiere Pro. I already prepared a video. It's the video of me showing magic trick. Oh yeah, let's say we want to make a still frame with me holding 10 euros. As I said, we have two options. First one is to create extra media file, so basically we're making screenshot and we're saving image, or we can make a stop frame within Premiere Pro without creating a new file. The first way with creating extra media file. So basically we're just doing screenshot. What we need to do is to press that camera button. If you don't have it here, you always could press that plus button and find it here and just drag and drop it here. We have that camera button in a program monitor panel, and as well in a source panel we have that button. What's the difference? Let's say our source file and sequence have different resolution. So for example, let's make our sequence instead of full HD, let's make it Ultra HD. Okay. Now we could press right mouse button on the video and choose set to frame size or scale to frame size. The difference between those two is when you put set to frame size, is just scale it. As you see, it 200 and before it was 100. When you press scale to frame size, Premiere compress the image and making like a new one and keeps the copy inside. I would always recommend to you to use set to frame size, because if you're gonna scale it after, everything gonna be fine. But if you will use scale to frame size, scaling, the picture will start to distort. So what I usually do is using set to frame size. And we're gonna make an export frame here. Let's call it program screenshot. And let's make screenshot in a source file, source screenshot. And then let's see, we have two screenshots. Program screenshot, which is, as we see, have dimensions of Ultra HD. And the source screenshot have Full HD dimensions. So depends on the which resolution you need to make a screenshot of source file or of the sequence, you choose those buttons. So what we need to do after is just to put a screenshot here, and now we have like a still frame. I don't know why he made screenshot from here, not from where I'm holding 10 euros. Let's try again. Okay. Oh yeah. So and now we have the still frame. That option is pretty good if you like to maybe edit that picture. So you want to make frame hold, and on the frame hold, for example, you want to go to Photoshop, for example, edit in the Photoshop and make some adjustment. In that case, that's the great option. If you don't want to do anything with frame hold, let's delete it. You could do a frame hold within the sequence, within the certain clip. All what you need to do is to press right mouse button and choose or add frame hold or insert frame hold segment. So what's the difference? Once you press add frame hold, from the place where at the moment the playhead, it will make a cut and all the rest of the clip will be just frame hold. So as you see right now, we on the moment when I'm holding 10 euros, let's press add frame hold. And right now, all the further clip is just one screenshot, one frame hold. Let's make undo. And if I'm gonna press insert frame hold segment, it will cut the video, it will insert inside the screenshot, and all the rest clip will be moved further, like this. So we have here the frame hold, and after the video is continue. Something like this. So what I did in the intro, let's delete that cut. I just made 8 frame hold, and then I just made the classic transition, deep to black. And we have that effect. Thank you for watching, I hope that video was helpful. Subscribe on my channel for more tutorials and videos about freelancing and video editing.